Hi there. This is a short video about the bottom of the Singer 338. I will be going up top in a minute to talk about something up there, but first, this is the feed rock shaft, and this is the feed lifting rock shaft. This is the feed rock shaft. I've oiled that and wiped off the oil, taken special care to wipe underneath and behind as well. And that's what I wanted to show you down here. Up top, I have something else to show you. What I wanted to point out to you folks up here is this is the hinged disc cover plate. And the interesting thing about this is that it has a spool holder right there on the cover. What I want to show you here in a little more detail is how simple this is to take on and off. And there is a screw right there. And so that comes off like that. We can already see that this lid has become loose. And if I continue to remove that screw, we see the bracket holding the lid there. And when I remove the bracket, we can see the green tabs on the outside and inside of those pieces there. And to apply it, these tabs here and here, they go down on these pins on the inside of this. So it's as simple as that. Installing that was very simple. There is a screw there, and that screw releases this little black metal bracket that holds the pins from the lid in here under this part of the little bracket. Now I'm going to replace both the front cover and the top cover. So I'll start with the front faceplate cover right here. And that screw is going to go through there, and that goes on right there. So there we are now. So yeah, really beautiful machine. Getting to know this wonderful machine. I'll stop right there. And this short video, please do subscribe. It always helps. And take care of yourselves, have fun, and come on back real soon. My next video, I don't know exactly what it's going to be on, but it'll be good. So, you know, hit that notification bell. I'll be making a video soon. Take care of yourselves. Adios, amigos.